guys, my name is Lee and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm going to be doing a low-carb instant pot recipe for you, and this recipe is part of an instant pot / pressure cooker recipe collaboration sponsored by Heather over at This Family Adopts. The links to the other channels in this collaboration will be in the description box below. So make sure you head over to the other channels and check them out. So the recipe I'm going to be showing you today is Instant Pot Low Carb Stroganoff. It's super simple and my husband really likes it, so I thought I would share it with you guys. I'm starting off with 2 pounds of cubed beef stew meat. Next I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of onion powder, one tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, or however you say it. One rounded teaspoon of garlic powder. A few shakes of salt, about a half a teaspoon. And 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Now I'm adding in about 2 cups of sliced mushrooms, whatever mushrooms you like. Next, I'm adding in 1 cup of beef broth. Now I'm going to place the lid on, if I can get it, there we go. Close the valve, which you can't see, but I'm doing that up at the top. Then I'm going to set this on pressure cook for 20 minutes on high pressure. And I'll be back when it's done. I forgot to mention that once the 20 minutes is up, you want to let this depressurize naturally. So the stroganoff has finished cooking and it has naturally depressurized. I'm going to take off the lid, then I'm going to hit cancel and set it to saute. Then I'm going to add in 1/2 cup of sour cream. And stir. This is thinner than your normal beef stroganoff, and that's because those of us in the low-carb world can't add in flour or cornstarch to thicken it up. So what I usually do is serve it as a soup. I add some cauliflower rice and it makes a really nice beef stroganoff soup. You could also serve it over some spaghetti squash or zucchini noodles, whatever you like. So don't forget to head down to the description box and check out all of the other channels in this collaboration. I'm sure you'll find lots of really good recipes to try out in your Instant Pot or your electric pressure cooker. So here is what it looks like. I plated it with some cauliflower rice and my husband really loves this. So if you like this recipe, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the little bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and Facebook at Lee'sHome05. Thanks for watching. Bye.